Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC90 vs Ford F150 crash test full comparison. Watch the crash clips closely and note occupant protection, intrusion depth, and restraint performance. I'll walk through what each major test actually measures and why it matters for drivers and families. Expect clear explanations of crash dynamics, structural behavior, and restraint timing, so you can make an informed safety choice between an SUV and a pickup. Both vehicles handle impacts differently due to design intent, weight, and structure, so test outcomes vary in meaningful ways. I'll compare compartment intrusion, airbag timing, and injury metrics side by side to show where each truck or SUV excels. We will translate dummy readings into practical advice for parents, commuters, and work truck buyers. By the end, you will know which model better suits your priorities for occupant protection and daily use. Crash tests are controlled conditions, but they reveal consistent patterns you can use when shopping for safety. I'll explain how test numbers map to everyday risks like city hits, highway impacts, and towing scenarios. You'll get a simple checklist to prioritize features like side curtain airbags, seatbelt pretensioners, and frame repair costs. My goal is to make crash test data practical so you can pick the safer choice for your needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.